Hello everyone, my name is Shivam and I am a UI UX designer with having a 4 years of experience in this field. Today we are going to review another UI UX course according to these parameters. This review will be helpful for those who are freshers or who are willing to switch their career into this profession. Also, I will add the best UI UX course link in the description, which is better according to my recommendation. You can check out from there. So let's start with the review. It's a UI UX designing course in Delhi by IFDA Institute, and it's a best in Delhi NCR as they have mentioned. And these are the stats like 75% practical training is there, 10% theory and concept is there. These are the tied up partners, and this is the overview about the UI UX and why should enroll. Key features about this UI UX is internship option is also there, freelance client option is also there, workflow is also there. So placement opportunities there. These are the course syllabus like 9 modules are there. Thinking and is there, research, wireframing, and interaction design is there, analytics is there, portfolio and freelancing is also there as it guide you in building the portfolio development and skills and covered is also there. UX research is also there. Responsive and cross platform is also there. Wireframing and prototyping is also there. Design system is thinking is also there. Mainly all the things are covered in terms of skills and strategy, and these are the tools like Notion AI is also there, Zeppelin Miro, FitJam, Figma, Midjourney, and these are the AI tools which is also covered. And these are the key takeaways, career opportunities after completion of course, and internship opportunities also there. Freelance option is also there. These are the roadmap and a thing else. These are certification, placement, testimonials, reviews. Overall, it's a good course. Like they have covered all the parameters in terms of UI UX. One or two parameters are only missing, but it's a good course. You can go with this course also. So it's we give a curriculum depth and structure. It's a 0.5 for me. User research fundamental is also 0.5 for me because there's a lack of detailing about the principles in terms of user experience and user research. UI design quality is also 0.5 for me, and hands-on project is there, so it's a 1 for me. Tools and software training is 1 for me because they have covered all the tools in terms of UI UX, in terms of AI also. Mentorship and feedback is 0.5 for me, and portfolio development is there. So it's a 1 for me. Placement and GSA support is also there. Course value seats is also there. Industry relevance update is also there, as it's a future oriented course and it's not a outdated course. So it's a 8 out of 10 course and it's a good rating according to these parameters. Also, there are many better courses in the market which covers all the parameters, which have a score of 10 out of 10 in terms of UI UX course. Also, I will add the best UI UX course link in the description, which is better according to my recommendation, which covers all the parameters in terms of fundamentals, design quality, and tools and software training, and also guide you in placement and career support after completion of course. I will add the link in the description. You can check out from there. And if you have any query in terms of portfolio building and in terms of career support is related to UI UX, you can drop your comment in the comment section. Thank you.